Billy, Billy T. We're good. Can you actually do the next race for me? No? Okay. All right.
That wasn't me. I was listening control.
Thank you, Bill.
I'm having a problem with seeing or something. I can't see squat.
And 8 remaining, 2 down, 8 remaining. Thomas, your leader in that red and yellow. Hines in second, in the gray and orange, and that pink with the black skunk stripe is Hunter Rayner in third. Dan Walters in 4, and Heath Lyons into number 5.
I'm not going to be in fourth very long because I can't drive this thing. What the fuck? Sorry, guys.
Myers and Rayner having a good race, and that white and orange is Hines. That pink is Hunter for that number 2 spot. Just a second separating them. Hines is over the big double, and Hunter over the big double. And then that backside right roller. Thomas Rivera starting to stretch it out over leading that red truck into that left side double step up. And down the front straightaway goes your leader. Hines and Hunter getting up on the back of these other 2 cars. Trying to get through them cleanly. Gap now at 1 second between second and Hines spins out and Hunter around him to claim second place as they're bumping and banging. And Hunter gets bumped wide. Hines looks back to the inside, but Hunter's going to hang on to that one. Hunter in that pink, Hines in that white orange. Hunter's wide, going for the big double. Hunter single through, or Hines single through there. Step up, step down, Hunter Rayner, Hines, Myers, half a second separating them on the clock. Thomas Rivera now 11 seconds above in the lead. Dan Walters across that orange in 4, and Heath Lyons out there in the number 5 spot. Was not anymore. Now Hines tumbling and slow down a little bit more to Hunter Rayner. As Hunter almost got caught by the wind on that big double tabletop. 4.5 down, 5.5 remaining. Oh, Hunter tumbling and headed into the big step up on the side. Hines around him to take second and tumbles it coming off. Battles the second head to start finish line. Gap is 1.4 seconds. Hines Meyer back up into the 2. Hunter Rayner down to the 3 as he hits the big double in the quad section. Five down, 5 minutes remaining. You guys are halfway through. Rivera's stretching out that lead. Best race going on, only race going on is between Hines Myers in second and Hunter Rayner in third. as that white and orange over the step up, step down, Heinz Myers in 2. The pink is Hunter Rayner in 3 and Croft. 1 second the gap at the start finish line between second of Heinz and third of Hunter. And Hunter tips it over and it won't quite come back to its wheels, and that's going to end that race for a little while. Thomas Rivera, your leader, across the finish on that red truck with the yellow bottom on its yellow wheels. Heinz in second, Hunter in third, and Danny in the fourth. Again, I will need volunteer marshals for the next race. If anybody can help me out, these drivers would really appreciate it. I will need volunteer marshals for the next race. I thought we had more people than we did. Everybody decided to go home. 7 minutes down, 3 remaining drivers. 7 down, 3 remaining. Rivera, your leader. Myers in second. Rayner in third. Walters in 4. Down. 1 minute left. Rivera, Myers, Rayner, only 3 cars left out there. Once again, I will need volunteer marshals for the next race. You guys out there right now, I didn't have to work real hard. I really appreciate it if you stick around. I know some of you can. You're on, drivers. Rivera, you are done. Tyler taking the win, Heinz Ryan in second, and Hunter Rayner in third. Sorry guys, I really thought we were going to have more people stick around when I put this race together. Scott. I'll turn it around next week. Awesome, thank you. I need one of you guys. Hey, Josh, over here if you would. Thank you. Bring him in, get him top out, get him back out there, guys. Does everybody have a pit man? Alright guys, let's do a pit man start. Pit man start. Brewer, Whitaker, Stanley, Rustin, Wager, Kegley, Hayes, Taylor, Smith, Dewall. Get him out of there, guys. Get him out of there. Let's go, let's go, let's go.